Let's discover more examples. Some of them are quite funny, while others are rather serious. An AI-powered customer service chatbot was trained on a dataset that included informal and casual conversations from social media. When deployed, the chatbot started using slang and emojis in professional settings, responding to customer complaints with phrases like "LOL, that's crazy," and "BRB, checking on that." This led to numerous confused and amused customers. An AI recipe recommendation system trained on a limited dataset suggested bizarre food combinations. For example, it recommended banana and ketchup salad and chocolate-covered broccoli as healthy meal options. Users shared their incredulous reactions and funny experiences of trying out these odd recipes on social media. An AI-powered photo tagging system was trained on a dataset lacking diversity. It mistakenly identified pets and objects as human faces, tagging a cat as Grandma and a toaster as Uncle Bob. Users found these misidentifications hilarious and shared the results widely online. An AI system designed to predict patient outcomes was trained on historical data that predominantly included records from a specific demographic group. As a result, it provided less accurate predictions for patients from other demographic groups, leading to potentially life-threatening situations where critical conditions were overlooked or misdiagnosed. An AI-based recruitment tool used by Amazon was trained on resumes submitted over the past decade, during which time the company had a majority of male employees in certain roles. Consequently, the AI system favored male candidates, perpetuating gender bias and discrimination in the hiring process. This led to legal and ethical issues for the company. An AI system for predictive policing was implemented in several cities to pinpoint high crime areas. It was trained on historical arrest data that reflected existing biases in law enforcement. As a result, the system disproportionately targeted minority communities, leading to increased surveillance and arrests in those areas. This led to increasing tension between law enforcement and the community, highlighting the serious consequences of biased data in AI applications. These examples illustrate the importance of using high-quality, diverse, and unbiased data when training AI models to ensure they function correctly and equitably. No matter how accurate and complex an AI algorithm is, if you feed it with garbage, the output will also be garbage. This concept is known as garbage in, garbage out, GIGO, meaning the quality of output is determined by the quality of the input. In other words, if you input faulty or poor quality data, the system's output will reflect those same issues.